Krang Suri is one of the famous tourist destinations in Meghalaya. It is in West Jayantia Hills district of Meghalaya, close to Amlarem. To reach Krang Suri, we started our journey from Guwahati to Amlarem by Guwahati-Shillong Bypass Highway. Shillong Bypass Road is very beautiful. The curves and turns with beautiful hilly terrain catch your fantasy. These hills have their own story to tell you. Morning is foggy and sun peeps through the clouds. Driving is very fascinating in these roads. After 3 hours of journey, we reach Jowai. Jowai is the district headquarters of West Jayantia Hills. The town is crowded yet clean. From Jowai, we started to Amlarem, which is 28 kilometers away. Here, you can notice hills with grass and shrubs. You won't see any tall tree here, for these hills are rocky. Now we reach Amlarem and take the left road to Krang Suri. It's 4 kilometers from here. That's Krang Suri parking lot. We pay 50 rupees for parking our car. From here, we start on foot. Hills, hills and hills. Small houses on the hills look pretty. Lots of insects are shouting here. I always advise you to be careful while walking down to Krang Suri Fall.
আমি এতিয়া Krang Suri Waterfall চাবলৈ গৈ আছো। মোৰ লগত আছে অমল। এতিয়া চিৰিৰে নামিব লগা হৈছে। বহুত তলত। এয়া ফল। এইটো ফল। বহুত তলত হয়।
We saw snake and insects on this trail. Finally, we see the fall. It's amazing, awesome to see. We enjoy it. If you want, come here and have the real experience. Be happy and take care. Meet you in another video. Thank you for watching.